besties, welcome to this video. I hope you are doing very well. I'm Alison and I'm here to tell you something about these days trend. Today we have some news about Federal Reserve and Powell and something about that. I want to explain all of them completely for you, and before we starting our video, please subscribe my channel if you don't have my channel, and after that please ring the bell. And if you have any opinion about these news that I told you, please tell me in the comment. I will answer all of them one by one. At first, you should know what exactly are interest rates. Simply put, it's the cost of borrowing money. For example, when you take out a loan, whether it's for a car, a house, or even using a credit card, you charge interest. The interest rate is expressed as a percentage and it affects how much you ultimately pay back. Central banks like the Federal Reserve in the USA use interest rate as a tool to manage the economy. By raising or lowering rates, they can influence inflation, encourage spending, and control economic growth. That's three things are really important. Let me tell you again what exactly central banks like the Federal Reserve can do. Where is Federal Reserve? It's in the US. It can use interest rate as a tool to manage the economy. They can control that. Sometimes they are raising or lowering the rates. With these things, they can influence inflation, and they can encourage spending and control economic growth. Let's get the big news. The things really important here, we have some news about central bank around here. This news, all of them, some are this news are about, for example, raising or lowering or holding rates steady. In these days, we have this type of news. It means that the things the borrowing will become more expensive or cheaper. I'm sorry. They can be more expensive or cheaper. Let's dig into the specifics. The rates is now set at the some number. This decision was based on briefly central bank. Why this matters is happening? Why should you care about this one? I want to tell you this. Interest rates touch nearly every aspect of our financial lives. If you have a mortgage or they are, for example, planning to buy a home, this decision directly affects you. If rates are rising, new mortgage will be more expensive. They can be more expensive, and adjustable rate mortgage will see their payments increase. Did you get that? If rates are falling, it's the opposite or good news for home buyers and those looking to refinance. Okay, so here we have good news for the persons who are suffering for a buying house. After that, when you get that what is mortgages, we should talk about credit cards. Credit card users will also feel the impact. Higher rates mean higher interest charge on your outstanding balance, making it more expensive to carry debt. That was really important. And the next thing that I should rename for you is savings account. On the flip side, savers might see some benefit. Higher interest rate can lead to better returns on saving accounts and certificates of deposit. The certificate of deposit is CDS. And after that, when you get that, the last part is business loans. Businesses are also affected. Higher rates can make it more expensive for companies to borrow money for investments and also expansion, potentially slow down economic growth. Okay, before we continue, let me tell you something about the economic context. What is it? To understand this decision completely and fully, we will need to look at the broader economic picture. Currently, we are seeing high inflation, we have low unemployment, and a strong GDP. The central bank is trying to, curb inflation and maintain growth. For example, if inflation is high, the central bank might raise interest rates to cool down the economy. Higher rates make borrowing more expensive, which reduces spending and investment, ultimately helping to bring inflation under control. However, raising rates too aggressively can also lead to recession. That's the thing's really obvious here. So it's delicate balancing act. That's it. Okay, now I have some opinion for you, and I really be glad that if you tell me your opinion about this news in these days. Another thing that you should know is that let's see what are the experts are saying. Most of them are talking about, they believe that something about inflation. Look at the picture. Some of them think, okay, this is a good things that Federal Reserve can do to other people. Some of them think, no, that's really aggressively, and all the people, they don't have money. It's depend on your opinion. Okay, what can you do now in this situation? Thank you for watching this video. I will waiting for all of your opinion about this video, and don't forget that for watching another video, please subscribe my channel and activate the bell. And if you missed my last video, it's very nice to check them. Thank you very much. I love you so much. Bye bye.